Welcome to this unique home just steps from the Danforth. We got a private driveway that fits up to 4 cars, an adult treehouse that's perfect for entertaining, and a versatile double-car garage that you are gonna love. Let's go have a look. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a home with great amenities, easy access to downtown, and a fantastic community, this is the home for you. Contact us today to find out how we can make it yours. Have a great day.